I'm Steve Kovach with Mountain Leverage, and today I'm here to talk about a common misconception we sometimes see with customers using voice technology in noisy environments. Most people who use voice have at one time or another been in a situation where the device seems to stop hearing them when they speak. This can be very frustrating, and it's only human nature to speak a little louder. While speaking a little louder is often effective, sometimes it's not. To understand why, let's dig a little deeper into the technology of voice recognition. When you speak in your microphone, your voice is modulated by a tool we call the automatic gain control. The AGC is like the volume knob on a guitar amplifier, balancing your voice against all the ambient noise around you. And if the AGC can't hear your voice, as in the case where you would move from, say, a quiet environment to a noisy one, it turns up the volume, aka gain, a little bit each time you speak until it can hear you. Now, just as that AGC will turn up the volume, if you're too loud, it will also turn it down. If you shout into your microphone, the AGC is turned down quite a bit, and it actually makes it more difficult for your voice device to hear you the next time you speak. Shout at it several times, and the AGC volume will be so low, it will never hear you again until you perform a noise sample. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What's a noise sample? The designers of voice technology provided a way to reset the AGC, and the first thing that you should try is say, Talkman noise sample. If your device still does not respond, you can also access the noise sample by pressing the operator button and scrolling through the menu until it says noise sample, often found by pressing the operator button and then the plus button once or possibly twice.
Current operator is Steve K. Select menu item. Noise sample. Please keep quiet for a few seconds.
It's also very important during the noise sample process to be quiet when it asks you to keep quiet for a few seconds, because during this time, it's listening for all the background noise around you, and if you speak during that, it thinks you are part of the background noise that it wants to filter out and ignore. The noise sample will reset the AGC volume controls and get you back on your way. So today we talked about ways to make your voice device hear you perfectly and how to get peak performance from your equipment. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, thanks.